In this video, you'll learn how to call someone on Google Meet, step by step, from opening the app to sharing your meeting link or inviting a person directly. Whether you're new to Google Meet or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to start a call and get someone else joined in with confidence. Let's start from the very beginning by opening Google Meet. You can do this in a couple of ways. On a computer, open your web browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to the main Meet page. If not, you'll be asked to sign in first. On a phone or tablet, you can open the Google Meet app if you have it installed. The home screen will look a little different depending on your device, but you'll always see an option to start a new meeting. Once you're on the main Google Meet screen, look for the button that says New Meeting. This is where you begin creating a call that you can share with someone. Go ahead and click or tap on New Meeting. You may see a small menu with different options for how to create your meeting, but for a simple immediate call, we're going to use the option for an instant meeting. From that menu, choose Start Instant Meeting. This tells Google Meet to create a meeting room for you right away without scheduling anything in advance. After a brief moment, your meeting will open. You'll usually see a preview of your camera, your microphone status, and the main meeting window. At this point, you're already in the meeting, even if you're the only person there. You can check your audio and video, mute your microphone if you need to, or adjust your camera before inviting someone else. Now that your instant meeting is running, it's time to get another person to join. There are two main ways to do that. You can share the meeting link, or you can invite the person directly from within Google Meet. To share the meeting link, look for the link that appears in the meeting window, usually near the top or under a button that says something like Meeting Details or Share. Click on that and you'll see the full meeting link. You can copy this link and send it to the person you want to call using email, a chat app, or any other messaging tool you prefer. When they click the link, they'll be taken straight to your Google Meet call and you'll see a prompt to let them in. If you prefer, you can also invite someone directly from inside Google Meet. In the meeting window, look for an option to add others or invite. When you open that, you can type in their email address and send them an invitation. They'll receive an email with a join button that takes them right into your meeting. Once they accept the invite or click your link and join, you're now successfully calling someone on Google Meet. From here, you can talk, share your screen, and use all the usual Meet features, knowing you've set up the call correctly from start to finish.